Welcome to our roundup of the best robot vacuum options. Whether you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or just looking to simplify your cleaning routine, we've selected top-performing robot vacuums that offer smart navigation, powerful suction, and convenient features. We'll break down each model's key specs, like battery life, mapping technology, cleaning modes, app control, and performance on different surfaces, to help you find the perfect fit for your home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the best deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal robot vacuum for your needs. The first on the list is the Eovax Debot X9 Pro Omni. The Debot X9 Pro Omni isn't just another robot. This one is aiming to redefine what clean really means in your daily life. Designed for hands-free excellence, it merges state-of-the-art vacuuming power with real-time mopping to deliver spotless results on any surface. With its industry-first Osmo Roller instant self-washing mopping system, users can expect a consistently fresh mop during every cleaning cycle. It tackles everything from light spills to stubborn stains using 3,700 pascals of mopping pressure and 220 revolutions per minute high-speed rolling, outperforming many flat or vibrating mop systems. Its ability to clean while constantly rinsing its mop pad ensures zero streaks, no odors, and no dirty water residue. Powering this machine is the ultra-strong blast airflow system, boasting an incredible 16,600 pascals suction, a game-changer for pet hair and deep carpet dust removal. The Zero Tangle 3.0 system eliminates hair wraps with a V-shaped main brush and side brushes, ideal for pet owners. Meanwhile, the triple lift system automatically adjusts to different surfaces by lifting brushes and mop pads as needed. The AI-powered navigation enhances object recognition, edge detection, and adaptive stain targeting using real-time mapping and dynamic obstacle avoidance. Its sleek 3.8-inch profile allows it to clean under furniture, while the Omni station manages auto-refilling, mop washing with hot water, hot air drying at 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and even self-dispensing of cleaning solution. This reduces maintenance to nearly zero for up to 150 days. However, one notable downside is the slightly sluggish control response in the companion app, which might delay command execution or real-time adjustments. Overall, the Eovax Debot X9 Pro Omni stands out as one of the most intelligent and comprehensive robot cleaners on the market today. It's perfect for those who seek a powerful, hygienic, and low-maintenance cleaning companion for their modern home. At number 2, we have the Moa P50 Pro Ultra. The Moa P50 Pro Ultra robot vacuum and mop is a groundbreaking solution that elevates home cleaning to the next level of automation, intelligence, and efficiency. Built for modern homes, this all-in-one device is designed to handle the most challenging cleaning tasks with ease. It features an ultra-powerful 19,000 pascals suction system that effortlessly lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from hard floors, carpets, tiles, and even marble. The Clean Chop anti-tangle brush and dual brush system ensure a hassle-free cleaning experience. No more hair wraps or manual detangling. Its Mop Extend Robbo Swing function lets the mop pad reach right into edges, corners, and low-clearance spaces like under beds and chairs. This robot isn't just strong, it's smart. The advanced RGB camera and 3D structured light allow it to recognize various types of messes, from coffee stains to dry cereal crumbs, and adapt cleaning accordingly. The 4-level 3D mapping ensures precise navigation through complex environments. The P50 Pro Ultra cleans with 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, killing 99.99% of bacteria, and uses 45 degrees Celsius warm air to dry mops thoroughly, ensuring a fresh, hygienic clean every time. The self-maintaining dock automatically empties the dustbin into a 3.2-liter bag, washes and dries the mop, and even refills water and cleaning solution, offering up to 75 days of hands-free maintenance. Control is intuitive and flexible. The robot supports Alexa, Google Home, and app-based commands, including real-time video monitoring and voice interaction. Users can schedule cleans, define no-go zones, or activate pet-specific cleanup routines with ease. With stable battery power, obstacle detection, and seamless transitions between floors and carpets, this robot cleaner handles it all smoothly. Overall, the Moa P50 Pro Ultra is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a smart, effortless, and professional-grade cleaning solution for their home. At number 3, we have the Narwhal Frio Z10. The Narwhal Frio Z10 is a powerhouse robot vacuum and mop combo, blending advanced design with powerful functionality. Equipped with an impressive 15,000 pascal suction system, the Frio Z10 effortlessly captures everything from fine dust particles to stubborn dried-on stains. Its AI-powered 104 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing and adaptive dual-spinning mop mechanism ensure that even the most challenging messes are tackled with ease. The Z10 is supported by an advanced self-cleaning base station, which enables up to 120 days of maintenance-free operation through automatic dust compression, a spacious 2.5-liter dust bag, and auto-detergent dispensing. This minimizes user intervention while maximizing cleaning efficiency. The Frio Z10 delivers powerful cleaning with quiet operation and intelligent navigation. With precision LiDAR and obstacle avoidance, it ensures thorough coverage, making it a sleek, efficient addition to any home. This smart device adjusts cleaning based on dirt detection, vacuuming strength, and even local weather conditions. Its dynamic detangling and dual flow system ensures 0% hair tangling, making it ideal for homes with pets or long hair. The robot intelligently targets dirty zones, analyzes wastewater for mopping decisions, and raises its mop head to avoid carpets. With child lock, voice assistant support, and custom mapping via the Narwhal app, it caters to both convenience and control. The thoughtful engineering behind Edge Swing and Mop Extend ensures that not even corners are missed. Overall, the Narwhal Frio Z10 delivers exceptional hands-free cleaning with smart, powerful features. The only drawback is its tall base station, which can be visually intrusive in some rooms. At number 4, we have the iRobot Roomba Plus 405. The iRobot Roomba Plus 405 is a smart and budget-friendly cleaning companion packed with premium features typically found in higher-end models. Tailored for busy households, this robot vacuum combines 70x more suction power than the Roomba 600 series with advanced dual clean spinning mop pads and smart scrub technology, making it ideal for tackling everyday messes like crumbs, coffee stains, and muddy paw prints. It's perfect for homes with both hard floors and carpets thanks to its auto-lift mopping pads that intelligently detect and avoid carpets to keep them dry and spotless. One of its standout features is the auto wash dock, which does far more than just charge the robot. It automatically empties the dustbin for up to 75 days, washes and dries the mop pads, and even refreshes them between uses, offering a near-zero maintenance experience. Its clear view, LiDAR navigation allows it to smartly map out the home, cleaning efficiently in straight lines and maneuvering around furniture and obstacles, even in low light. The robot can be controlled in 3 convenient ways: via the Roomba Home app, voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, or with a simple press of a button. The Roomba Plus 405 also delivers customizable cleaning routines. Users can create clean zones for specific areas and designate keep-out zones to avoid delicate spots. The app also offers insights into cleaning performance and filter health, adding another layer of control and personalization. With 4 suction levels, repeat cleaning passes, and deep scrubbing options, it adapts easily to any mess. Overall, the iRobot Roomba Plus 405 offers incredible value, making it a smart investment for those looking for an affordable yet powerful cleaning solution with minimal upkeep. At number 5, we have the Dream X50 Ultra. The Dream X50 Ultra is a high-end robot vacuum and mop designed for homeowners seeking maximum convenience and performance. With its sleek, modern build, this smart home device fits seamlessly into modern interiors. Backed by a powerful 20,000 Pascal Vormax suction system, it delivers up to 220 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, efficiently covering a large area. Its quiet operation and multi-surface cleaning abilities make it a standout in the robotic vacuum category. One of the X50 Ultra's most impressive features is its all-in-one auto maintenance system. It auto-empties debris, refills water and cleaning solution, and even dries its mops with hot air. The innovative Mop Extend Robbo Swing and side reach technologies ensure a deep clean even in tight corners and under furniture. Additionally, the detangling Duo brush efficiently handles pet hair without clogging, while Triple Up Tech automatically adjusts the brushes or mops based on floor type to prevent carpet damage. With advanced AI, this smart robot vacuum uses 3D mapping and obstacle detection to seamlessly adapt to your home environment. It intelligently navigates around everyday items like socks and shoes, and even operates in dark spaces using built-in LED lights. With retractable legs and the ability to cross 1.65-inch thresholds, it moves smoothly across varying surfaces. Ideal for pet owners, it can detect and avoid pets and even locate them when needed, making it a truly versatile and thoughtful cleaning companion. However, some users may find the abundance of water settings a bit overwhelming at first. Still, once configured, the experience remains seamless and efficient. Overall, Dream X50 Ultra is designed to redefine hands-free cleaning, making it an ideal choice for busy households, pet owners, and tech-savvy users seeking a smarter, more efficient way to maintain a spotless home. The last one on our list is the Robbo Soros 10R. The Soros 10R robot is a sleek, intelligent cleaning solution designed to fit seamlessly into any home. Sleek and ultra-slim with a 3.14-inch profile, this lightweight model is the thinnest Roborock ever, making it perfect for cleaning under low furniture. Built with powerful hyperforce suction, it's suitable for hardwood, tile, and carpet. A standout feature is the 10-in-1 multifunctional dock 4.0, which includes self-emptying, hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and auto mop removal. The Soros 10R offers intelligent performance with its StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 and VertiBeam obstacle avoidance. It recognizes over 100 obstacle types, effortlessly gliding around cables, furniture legs, and more. Its Flexi Arm Riser side brush and mop reach deep into corners and edges, while the AdaptiLift chassis smoothly climbs thresholds up to 4 centimeters. The dual anti-tangle brushes and wheels are especially helpful for pet owners. Mop lifting prevents wet carpets, and the built-in RGB camera allows two-way video calls and real-time pet monitoring, adding a unique interactive layer to home cleaning. It also supports smart integration with Alexa, Siri, Google Home, and the Roborock app. The Roborock Soros 10R comes with a high price tag and has some difficulty picking up fine debris in carpeted corners and edges. Still, the Soros 10R stands out as a premium, high-performance cleaning companion designed for users who value both innovation and efficiency. With its fully hands-free operation and modern smart features, it delivers unmatched convenience and a consistently spotless home. You got it. So that's it for the best robot vacuum on the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.